Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the eFootball 2026 download issue on PC. First, verify the game files in Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Find eFootball, right-click it, and choose Properties. Open the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Once the process is complete, restart Steam and try launching the game again. If the issue is still there, clear the Steam download cache. Click Steam in the top left corner, then open Settings and go to Downloads. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will sign you out, so log back into your account after the cache is cleared. Restart Steam and let the game finish checking for updates. If the game still freezes, your antivirus or Windows Defender may be preventing the downloaded files from unpacking correctly. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then select Manage Settings. Scroll down and open Add or Remove Exclusions. Add the main Steam folder and the game folder as well to the exclusion list. After that, restart your PC and launch the game again. One of these methods should resolve the problem and allow eFootball 2026 to start normally. Thanks for watching.